Do you think I should go visit Terry Tao?
Yeah, I think you should talk to her. Okay, so is she ready?
Wait, no.
Laurely, are you going to show us how to do the crab walk? Huh? Okay, go.
Come here.
She's walking. Good job.
I could walk without the couch. What are you doing? Are you giving my knee a kiss? Are you kissing Papa's knee?
Papa, now move to the other end. Oh, very sturdy.
She can support her weight, she just can't balance herself.
Yeah.
You don't weigh anything. You need to eat more. Oops.
Good job, girl.
Girl.